Hi guys, I'm Hadris with WTI and today I have this oil for hair from Garnier. We tried out this conditioner or oil for dry and dull hair. Since we started using it, the difference in hair is really noticeable. It gets a lot shinier and feels very soft. It has vitamin E and argan oil, which are great for dealing with frizz. I tested it on my mom's straight hair and she really needed it. A small amount was enough, covering it completely and leaving it looking great. This bottle has 3.4 ounces and the opening is practical to avoid washing the product when using it. It makes our hair really shiny, nice, and this is my point of view.